How do you have a more convenient and luxurious commute? By taking to the skies. That's why Cadillac created a vertical takeoff and landing concept, or VTOL. The Cadillac VTOL is a single-seat, all-electric, well-appointed aircraft capable of traveling rooftop to rooftop at speeds up to 90 kilometers per hour. The Cadillac of urban aerial mobility uses a coaxial octorotor propulsion system, powered by next-generation battery technology, optimized for lightweight, emissions-free flight. VTOL is key to GM's vision for a multimodal future, delivering a pivotal connection point between the first and last mile of EV travel with no congestion. And because the Cadillac VTOL is fully autonomous, all the passenger has to do is enjoy the spectacular view outside and the premium craftsmanship inside, making the skies no longer the limit.